Cilantro is the key ingredient when making guac. I use 2 slivers of red onion, which is enough per 1 avocado. A little tomato, one fresh garlic clove, and if you smash it, it takes half the work out of chopping it. Okay, time to cut this avocado. Is it gonna be good? I don't know. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Yay, it's a good one. Whoop, whoop. Don't bother peeling your avocado. Just scoop it out with a spoon. Add a pinch of sweet paprika, a little black pepper, a little salt, but be careful not to add too much. Then for a little extra hotness, I add just a tad bit of Cajun seasoning. Meanwhile, in the oven, I'm toasting my bread. Now add in the flavor. Mix it all together. Then add the juice from half of a lime. I like to add extra nutrients by adding a layer of fresh spinach. Now top it all off with your guac. All done and ready to eat. Delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.